Number 5 is HP 7602 Wireless All-in-One Printer. If you're in the baking and confectionery industry, you know how important it is to make your sweet creation stand out. And what better way to do that than by printing your own edible images with the HP 7602 Wireless All-in-One Printer. This printer is perfect for small businesses that need to print a variety of color documents in high volumes. It's loaded with key features like automatic two-sided printing, a 35-page automatic document feeder, and borderless prints. Plus, it can print up to 15 ppm black and 9 ppm color, which means you'll be able to get your printing done in no time. What's really exciting about this printer is the Magic Touch panel, which makes it incredibly easy to complete everyday print, scan, and copy tasks. It feels like you're using an app on your phone. And with up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles, you'll save money while getting up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. But what really sets the HP 7602 printer apart is the exceptional quality of the prints. You'll consistently get outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text for all your prints. So, whether you're printing logos, images, or anything else, you can trust that it will look amazing. So if you like this printer, then check out the link given in the description box below to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best printer for edible images. If you like any of these best printers, then check out the link in the description box to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.